And we're live!
Hello guys, welcome to today's video. We have some really cool exciting news to start off this video today. So Marlon and I decided to do our very first giveaway here on our channel. So we're going to be picking out one guy and one girl just to kind of make things, a little fair. We're going to see how our audience and the people that follow us like these type of videos and these type of giveaways. So
For the boys, we got a Star Wars light.
yes. Marlon has a lot of gamer friends and, people that follow us that like to game and I don't know, they have game rooms and stuff, so we figured something like that would be pretty cool.
And then another item, well, it's going to be two items. So
Yes.
Echo Dot's the second one.
The Echo Dot is also going to be with the Star Wars light. So that's going to be for the guys. And then for the girls, we have this really cute, like, J-Lo, it's like a J-Lo little beauty kit, sorry, and it has in there a hydrating body cream, a complexion booster, a body serum, and a booty balm. So if you don't like JLo, I'm sorry you guys, but give it to your friend, your mama, your auntie, your sister, whoever you like. And the last thing,
another Echo Dot for the ladies.
yes, that's gonna be the second thing for the ladies. So like I said, we're gonna be giving away to two people, one boy, one girl, and there is only two simple rules that you have to follow. First of all, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel always. And thank you guys so much for 1,200 followers.
Thank you so much.
Yes, well, 1,200 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Do you want to tell them the rules?
Yep.
Just two rules?
Rule number one, you have to be following our Instagram page, Marlo and Lauren. It's on the screen right now, and it's going to be in the bio.
Yes.
So follow Marlo, Marlo Lauren _ I'm sorry.
Yes.
Marlo Lauren _ And then the second rule is we're making this video right here is going to be a post on our Instagram.
Yep.
That's actually pinned to our page. Comment there, tag 2 friends. And those are the only 2 rules.
Yeah, those are the only 2
of your
rules.
friends on that Instagram post and follow that Instagram page.
Yes.
We're going to be more active on it.
Yeah, we promise you guys. So thank you so much. We hope you guys, again, like these type of little giveaways. Again, we are starting small, and then who knows what we might give away in the future. We have plans to give away maybe a PS5, an Xbox, to just kind of show a little bit of gratitude to our supporters.
Yep. Let's start the video.
Kick it off, baby.
London, he up to something. He never running. I bust your cousin.
Lauren and I are back and we're making my game room. We're hanging all the posters that we got at Fan Expo. Remember I showed you guys that said we move. Did we even know we were moving at the time?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
But we both predicted that we were gonna move.
So we got the ladder over here. Look at that. So far it looks nice, right? Yeah.
Instead of doing this one right lined up,
Yeah.
we could bring it in a little.
Yes.
You think that?
That's so cool.
You like that?
Yeah.
Okay. You look how high up it is? Or do you want me to bring it down some?
That's good.
Yeah. Look behind it.
Doggo.
He's so cute.
Hey guys, I got my game room set up. And I even got my Pac-Man.
This girl.
Oh, I'm so excited. Guys, should I take out my Funko Pops or leave them there? What do you think?
He has a couple of them. He has this one. Let me show you guys.
This one glows in the dark.
Oh, cute. He's got this one. And he's got this one. This one's cool. This one's cool.
Whoa. Definitely turn it to the right.
Turn it, like drop it.
Rotate it. I think it's... Wait. No, it's too low.
Too
Put
low?
it up a little more, like up. Like
The
actually.
whole thing?
Yeah.
How's that?
Way nice.
Yeah? Now, is there anything that you want to do in the middle?
Yes.
You know what you should put up there? You should have an LED sign built that says
Yeah.
London or something.
Yeah, that would be so cool.
Gotta
That's what I'm
look
gonna
for
put
the
up there.
This white thing. I don't think it'll fit the vibe, to be honest.
It won't fit the vibe?
No.
Didn't fit the vibes, guys. This is the OG though. This is the OG. Oh,
Okay.
this is perfect. That definitely fits the vibes, bruh.
You're so cringe.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Guys, it's gonna be a whole tower of Funkos.
Okay. No, it's not.
What?
You're like a golden retriever today. Sorry, I'm not matching your vibe.
I'm excited. Oh, that's so cool! Oh my god! Hey, 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 hey.
This girl. Do we have any more bins?
This one, I mean. And then I can put my Oculus right here. Boom.
You want to put your controllers on this table?
Yeah, thank you. That definitely will free up my table a lot. I have all these controllers on my table. Guys, I got invited to test a game called Star Wars Outlaws. I know you guys aren't gamers. It's a new game that's coming out on the 30th of August. And I'm doing a review on it on my gaming channel, Mr. London Gaming. Go subscribe at that channel, like and comment this one, and subscribe to this channel as well. Also, thank you to Ubisoft for giving me the key. When we play the PS5 downstairs, we gonna have the controllers downstairs. Pop, look at my gaming area.
He's gonna see it in person.
Oh my gosh, I love this room already. I'm so happy. This is cool. Oh my god. So guys, we have Avatar in the corner over there. Earth. Wind. Fire. Oh wait, it's air. Earth. Water. Fire. Air. That's not what it does. Yes, girl.
That's you, honey bunch. Babe, that looks so nice.
I know, right? It's nice, the whole area, right?
Yeah, you're gonna buy me dinner today? That's crazy. I was over there climbing a ladder.
Just give me my money.
Nezuko? This one designed by the girl who does the voice, no?
Yeah.
I think, is it?
Yeah, it is.
No, I think it's the author. The author who drew these is the one that signed them at the bottom.
Oh yeah, that's true. This one's the voice actor.
Yeah, Todoroki.
Todoroki.
Now, do you want this one on the left, that one on the right? This one on left, this one on right? Like this?
Yeah.
Or do you want to split them?
Nah, because she'll be looking at Madara.
Okay, perfect. So, hold that one, please.
Yeah.
And it does have the sticky things at the back, so be careful. Okay, and then scoot back and let me know how.
To the right a little bit.
Good?
That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, you're gonna have to push the top because I can't reach.
I should get a black curtain. Now I look at it.
Oh, yeah, you should, absolutely.
Now I look at the room. I need a black curtain. That would kill everything. Or
That actually would look nice.
not kill, but that'll make everything come together.
Yeah. Oh, baby, that looks nice.
Right?
Yeah, you can tell this is a game room.
Yeah, with the LED
that's
lights.
Crazy. You're such a dancer. I love it.
Guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. This video is gonna be called, what is it?
Is this straight?
Setting up our game room.
Yep.
Or to the right a little more. That's good. That's good.
Go to the top.
Yeah.
Thanks, honey bunch.
I don't want to be demonetized.
We're not doing anything, bro. Tickle, tickle. It's definitely crooked, man.
This one?
Yeah.
I know.
You shouldn't have told me to drop it to the right. And it's not even lined up with the corner, bruh.
That gives it a little more flavor, you know?
No, it
You don't
does
want
not.
it to be too perfect. If it's too perfect, it feels like manufactured. This is cool. Limited edition. 37 of 50. There's only 50 of these in the world, guys, and I'm putting it on the wall. Guess what? I'm putting it on the wall.
I think this Texas Smash one, you should put it either on that wall over here or on this one. Like,
Yeah, I think that's cool.
I think it'll be fine. Okay, you're gonna have to do the top
Yeah.
one. That looks so nice, dude.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it really does.
Sorry guys, our camera had died when we were finishing off the video, but we finished putting up everything and we were at the end of the video anyways and it died, which was good. So, I hope you guys really like this. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We have a theater room, baby room, and guest room. So you guys put in the comments which room should we make next.